Mr. What?
That mirror wasn't there.
When do you find my head and do it now come? That is what you think.
No, I have so many clothes to sew. So I just can't be sewing them.
Also, I see tomorrow, mommy is going. I'm not going to go to school on Tuesday. Mommy, I've never even started school, sir. She's just taking care of us. Nice that. Huh?
Recognize.
I don't recognize.
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 You're not recognizing.
I say recognized. I saw it in your hand. I saw it in your hand. In this place. It's like my hair is stronger than that your this thing. Maybe my hair is the strongest. Or is it me that has the biggest hair?
One is very small.
Baba John.
One is small.
Very small.
But mommy's one is bigger than your own. This is what you're going to make.
Shall I see? And I'm not talking.
Make it smaller.
I'm talking to spirit.
Who is spirit Chioma in your eye?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking only to real spirit.
Mommy, tell me, did they have any spirit Chioma? She called me Chioma and I can say yes. Then she now said that she's talking to spirit.
Mommy, don't call her Shoma. Call her spirit Shoma.
Mommy, we didn't print our beads in the mirror.
Yeah, let's go.
Give me the
But they only see. Oh. Hi, Jesus. Tell me, does this man even know something?
Yes, me.
Mommy, if you play this, they say, Mommy, do you know that they used to call my name, octopus, macaroni, indomie, even cheese ball.
They call your hair cheese ball.
Yes, also, suya.
I'm also lollipop.
Yes. Also, meatball.
They call your hair meatball.
Yes.
Also chocolate.
Meatball hair.
What? Also chocolate.
Fanny, you have a meatball hair.
Also chocolate head.
It's the kid that used to say that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I say, DK has a purple head.
Yay!
His head is over. I think his egg that is this tranças. DK, your head. Fanny has a purple head. Fanny has an octopus head.
And
The last one you made, they didn't even do anything.
That one was just too.
But they will call this one macaroni. They even said that they missed that macaroni hair.
Fanny has a macaroni
Yes.
head. Fanny has a macaroni head.
Fanny has a macaroni head.
Rock and roll. When you are wearing this, you used to
Hey.
rock and roll.
Mom, there is one movie that we watched that the person paint was on it. The person now started doing rock and roll. Then everywhere was just scattered with paint. Mommy don't remember. Mommy, do you remember? Mom, the video will not be enough, sorry.
Why?
3 is for this one, right?
Unlike this.
I thought you said you will move it.
You just leave it like this. It's beautiful like this.
No, but if you put it, it will also be more beautiful.
Your school doesn't like you.
They like.
You are fine.
They like. My classmates like.
But the school, it's against the rules.
Mm,
No big.
I wish it's not against the rules. What is that this saying? I don't understand what it's saying.
It means that you're talking so much.
Yes, it's talking a lot. I know, so it's
Like you punch you like a punch man.
I will punch you. Mommy knows me very, very well. It's only Daddy that doesn't know me well.
Mama, I know you too.
Daddy, if I punch you,
that's outside the soil for the growth of the toys. Your mommy.
I don't want him to beat me.
Okay.
And what's coming now?
I don't want to touch my leg. This hair is painful.
Don't be like your hair is painful, not this time.
I mean, come on, the hair is painful.
Just keep your neck very well.
Why do you want to show them the length of my wrist? Everybody see my hair is flat too.
You don't like the one that I sold. Why?
It gives me good sleep.
Penny.
I mean, I find I can give me that pen. Give me that pen. Give it to me. Why are you putting your hand in? Over. Oh, yeah.
7:30, not more than an hour. I'm sorry. Number one.
How do you say
Then start to rest.
This much. Mommy, when the children's mom is she going to like you?
Are we making it for her? Come like this. Are we making it for her?
You're done?
But next time now she's going to say that she wears this hair that is beautiful.
That's very much.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.